whispering horizons. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the whispers of distant lands guide you. Today, we embark on a peaceful journey to Japan, a land of ancient traditions and serene beauty. As you listen, let your mind wander, and let the sounds of this distant world become part of your own. As we step into the bustling streets of Tokyo, the city hums with energy. Neon lights dance in the evening sky, while the sounds of distant conversations fill the air. The scent of fresh sushi and warm tea mingles with the cool evening breeze. You can feel the pulse of a modern world deeply intertwined with centuries-old traditions. The Tokyo Tower looms above, shining softly in the night as people walk by, each lost in their own thoughts, yet bound together by the city's heart. In the quiet temples and lush gardens of Kyoto, a different rhythm echoes. Here, time seems to slow down. The delicate sound of a bamboo water fountain fills the air, as the peaceful flow of water mirrors the calm spirit of the people. Every step in the garden is a dance with nature. Every gesture, a form of meditation. The Japanese tea ceremony, so precise, so graceful, reflects a deeper philosophy, the beauty of simplicity. The cherry blossoms, known as sakura, are in full bloom, their pale pink petals drifting gently with the breeze. People gather beneath them, sharing moments of quiet reflection, savoring the beauty that surrounds them. The culture here is one of respect for nature. But beyond the cities, Japan offers a different kind of peace, a connection to the land itself. In the sacred mountains, where mist clings to the ancient trees, temples stand quietly, waiting for the souls who seek solace. The sound of the wind rustling through the leaves, the distant call of a bird, all harmonize in perfect silence. The mountains invite you to pause, to reflect, and to reconnect with your own spirit. The scent of pine trees fills the air as you walk along winding paths. Each step taking you deeper into a spiritual journey. The serenity of Japan is not just in the beauty of its landscapes, but in the quiet moments of contemplation that exist within each of us. As our journey comes to close, we find ourselves on a quiet hilltop, overlooking the vast landscape below. The sun sets behind the distant mountains, casting a soft golden light over everything. In this moment of peace, we realize that Japan is not just a place, but a feeling, a way of being. Thank you for joining me on this quiet journey. I hope that the whispers of Japan will stay with you as they stay with me, a part of the vast horizons we all carry within. Until next time, may your heart remain open. And your mind free to wander the horizons of the world. This is Whispering Horizons. Goodbye for now.